Hey guys, so welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to enable ads on Brave browser. So guys, first thing that you will do to enable ads on Brave browser, first things first is of course you could just simply open up a Brave browser into your computer. And now from here, you could just simply go ahead and select your profile. Here on your profile, you could go for the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And now over here, you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings tab. Here on the settings tab, you should be able to see on the left side of the screen, shields. And here on the shields, as you can see, to enable ads or have ads popping into your browser, you could go for trackers and ads blocking and make sure this is disabled so there are no ads that will block you. So pretty much these are the only option that Brave have. So there are no really direct way to enable any ads, but you could disable ads blocking so ads will not be blocked during your browsing. And you could also allow all cookies over here, and pretty much you will have other options as well, whether you want to block a specific data or not from here. So pretty much you could utilize this feature. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.